In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to compare items using ratios. A ratio is a way to compare two or more things or items. So in number one, we are looking at tomatoes and onions. So let's see, how many onions do we have? We have three onions and we have four tomatoes. So the ratio of tomatoes to onions, and it's has to be in that order because the tomatoes is first and the onions is next, is four, and we write two dots to three. You could also write four, two, three, but as you get higher in your math knowledge, you will see that it's written with the two dots. Let's look at the next one. So let's see, we are doing a ratio of mugs to tall cups. So we have two mugs, and tall cups we have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. We have eight tall cups. So the ratio of mugs to tall cups is 2 to 8. Let's look at the next one. So we have pink and blue shirts, light blue shirts. We have one, two, three, four. And then we have like a turquoise to blue, another shade of blue. One, two, three, four, five. We have five. So let's see. So the ratio of this shirt, which is this, is 4. And then of the other shirts, one, two, three, four, five, is 5. All right. So we have ratios. These are chess pieces. This is a king. So of the king chess pieces, we have, I believe it's a king. Could be a queen. One, two, three, four, five, 6. And this is definitely a rook if you play chess. One, two, three. All right. So I believe this is a king. The ratio of the king pieces to the rook pieces is 6 to 3. All right. Next, we have a cell phone to binoculars. So we have 3. Oops, not 3. This is 3. And this is 2. So the ratio of binoculars is 3 to cell phones is 2. Let's do a few more. All right. What would this one be? We have locks to keys. So for locks, we have one, two, three, four, 5. Keys, we have 1, 2. So the ratio of locks is 5 to 2. Let's do next one. What would this one be? Balloons to kites. So balloons to kites. All right, let's count. So balloons is one, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then to kites is 3. And one last one, we have oranges. And I guess that is an apple. Some other fruit. I'm not sure what that is. So we have One, two, three, four, five, six. And then here we have two. So we want this fruit to that fruit. So it's going to be 2 to 6. So that's how you find the ratio of items visually. Good luck.